This is a collection of the lettuces that I have from 2012, and I've used a few of them. Some of them have never been used. So I'm making a mixture of all of these lettuces that I have, a mixed seed package of my own. And I will use them in a row, in a drill, in the allotment. And we will see how they will do. I'm making a mixture of all of this, and I will show you the mix. Okay, I was going to pack this salad mix, lettuce mix seeds, that I noticed that I have a lot of more of the different salad, lettuce salads. So I'm going now to mix them and add them to this special mix that I have made. It's a cocktail of all the seeds, salad seeds that I have. So I'll just go through all of them for the sake of the record to see what we have here. This is a good one. I really enjoyed it. I think I planted it in 2013. Now I'm going to mix all of them into this. Okay, this second pack have been done, and I've mixed all of them together. I put a lid on it, and I shake them just to make sure they're very well mixed. I can use it anytime I want. So I have two mixtures of seed. This is the salad greens mixture, and this is the lettuce mixture. If I want, I can mix any of these two together, but probably I should not do it. I didn't use this one because this was tape, so I have to use it as it is with a tape. Set it up.